What do Andrew Tate, KSI, and Jake Paul all have in common?
I'm just going to go right in and jump straight to the point and tell you what all these millionaires don't want you to know about making money, especially making money online. The first one is to start a YouTube channel. I know you might have heard this a lot, or maybe not. Point is, start a YouTube channel. Do this. Maybe if you're watching this video, however you find it, take my case for instance, and people will say, oh, it's too late to start YouTube. It's never too late. And the best time might be today. It's never too late to start a YouTube channel and grow an audience. And here's the reason why it's very important. It's also the reason why a lot of people these days want to become an influencer. Have you ever wondered why? That's because they make a lot of money from so many different things, brand deals, sponsorships. It's endless, and that is because of just one thing. They have attention, and it's actually unbelievable the amount of money you can make once you have the right attention on you. Let's hear Jake Paul talk about this and how much he made during the Got Your Heart incident. You might not exactly like the guy, but he's definitely making a lot of money, and he's actually very smart when it comes to his business. So let's hear it.
I'm gonna take his hat. I realized the only way to steal his hat was to walk up to him and hope that he'd be down to do some face-to-face confrontation. And I just knew in the back of my head that it was gonna be such a funny moment of me acting all tough and then turning it into a toddler and being like, gotcha hat, and bro, we gotta capitalize on this moment. Gotcha hats. It's literally, it literally couldn't be any more perfect. The people at FanJoy got the design up in literally 10 minutes. We sold a couple $100,000 in total revenue. And then it turned into this other brand deal that I'm working with now for this surf brand, Gotcha. This is how you gotta do it. It's an attention, we're living in an attention-driven world, and attention is what drives business, and while you have the attention, you have to capitalize off of it.
I guess that's about it. The guy knows what he's doing. He knows what really does know how to generate money. Second, we have affiliate marketing, and yes, it might tie into the first one but here's the thing: you can do it in your own capacity, and you don't need to have thousands of followers online, even if it's a few hundred or even one or two people. But as long as you're able to market a product or direct attention to somebody else's business, you might be doing it. I tell a lot of people, you do this without even realizing it. Maybe to a family or friend, and they ask you, oh, what's the best restaurant in town, or where's the best place I can get ice cream? And you tell them, oh, Genesis, or you tell them Cold Stone or whatever. You've indirectly done affiliate marketing, because you've pushed that person over to a business and they will make a sale. And on a normal scenario, you're supposed to make profit off it, but then in real life you wouldn't. So now here's what you're going to do. You're going to do this in a way that you can make money off it. So that's basically how affiliate marketing works. People have products that they want to sell to others, and your work basically is just to match the product to the people who want to buy, which is the consumers, and then the company will pay you because you're acting as a middleman for their own product and the consumer. Now we have offer a skill or service, and I'm pretty sure I've spoken on this before. And do you know what is funny about this is that you don't even necessarily have to have a skill to be able to do this. There are so many job opportunities that you can get online. You can do with minimal effort and make good money. And it blows my mind when it comes to things. I find a lot of easy tasks you can do on Fiverr, other platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, SideGeek, whatever. There are so many of these websites that you can go to, right? And then there are easy minimal tax you can do. $5-10. If you do it 10 times, that's $100. And you know what that is in Nigeria. If you're watching this in Nigeria, you do know what that means. So you can make good money off of it online by offering a skill or service. And if you do not want to do all of that and you want to actually offer a proper skill, then you have YouTube at your fingertips. You can learn literally anything, any skill online on YouTube, watching a YouTube video just like you're doing now. And as crazy as it sounds, all of this will be for free. And once you learn, you can also start offering that service to other people online. I'm going to assume you're watching this on a phone right now, and that is literally all you need to start your YouTube channel today. Once you have the ideas, you have your video mapped out, you can record it, maybe a headphone, have something to edit your videos. There's so many free video editors online. Create your YouTube channel and start uploading your videos today, because as Jake Paul has said, attention makes you money. Well, that's about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and found a little value from this. Don't forget to like the video so that other people can learn, hopefully just like you have, and subscribe to the channel because I would really appreciate it.